Hi friends, welcome to Venky's channel. Today we'll see how to create a blog in our Android mobile very easily. First, go ahead to Play Store and install the app called WordPress. The link for this app is available in the description also. So I've already installed this app and let me click on open. Once the app is opened, click on login or sign up and then enter your email address. Let me select my email address here. And now there is a button called check email. Click on that button and it opens our Gmail. So we should open the first mail which is sent by WordPress, and we should click on the button that says login to the app, and then it loads for a few seconds and then it logs into the WordPress app. I've already created a few websites using this email address, so it shows that here. And now let me click on done here. Now it shows the home page for my most recent website. Here let me click on this arrow and let me click on create new site by clicking on the plus at the top right over here. And here we have to choose create a wordpress.com site and not self-hosted site. And now we should choose a design for our website or blog. So I like this design, so let me choose this design and let me click on choose. And now we have to choose a URL for our website. So here I'm creating a blog or website for my YouTube channel. So let me type Venky's channel. And here I can see many URLs. The first one is .business.blog. Mine is not a business blog. Mine is just a simple site. So let me keep Venky's channel.wordpress.com. Here I have chosen Dr. Venky's channel because normal Venky's channel is not available. So we can choose the best one here. I think the first one is better because Dr. Venky's channel is not correct. So let me just keep Venky's channel.business.blog. So this is the URL for our website. And now let's click on create site. It loads for a few seconds. And then it shows the preview over here. And now let's click on OK. So it will ask whether we want a bit of tips in getting started with our website. We should click on accept and then do the steps. Now we should click on customize your site, and here the first option says set your site title. Let's click on that, and there is a blue circle over here. So we have to tap on the site title and then we should change the site title. So let me just change the site title very quickly and let's click on OK. And again we'll see at the bottom which says upload a site icon. Let me click on go, and then here there is an earth symbol or a globe symbol for our icon. So let's just click on that, and then it will ask would you like to add a site icon. Let me click on yes, and at the top right here we should click on browse for items. Let me click on that, and then let me navigate to my image and let me select it. I've selected my logo here, and we can zoom it, we can crop it, etc. I just want it as it is, so let me just click on the tick mark here. And now at the bottom we can see an option which says edit your home page. Let's click on go, and then it asks to click on the pages option. Let's click on the pages option. So there are three pages: the home page, the about page, and the contact page. First let's go to the home page. Now you can see that the home page is in this way. I don't want this text. I want my channel name to be displayed here. So let me just select all this text, and then let me remove this text and let me type my channel name. and here let these buttons be as it is, and I want this text to be in center. So let me select all this, and here you can see the align option, and let me click on align text center. So now you can see that the text is center. Similarly, let's do the same thing to the buttons also. Now I've aligned the buttons also to the center, and here I can edit the button text also by selecting this text like this and removing it. So let me keep it as it is, and let me just change the first button to visit my channel. So visit my channel, and here let me click on the small settings icon down of the button, and now it shows all the settings. We should just drag this menu a little bit up, and then last option says link to. So where should it go when we click on that button? So let me click on search or type URL, and let me enter my YouTube channel link. Now I've entered the URL of my channel, and let me click on the tick mark. And now let's just remove the settings. And similarly, you can add the link for all the other buttons. And here you can see, if you scroll down, it says project 1 and it says some random text. So here you can write anything about yourself. So you can say about myself and you can write about yourself. So I'm not doing it right now, but you can do it. And similarly, you can make different sections of the page as you wish. So here you can write about my YouTube channel, and you can write about your YouTube channel, and next you can write hobbies and etc etc. After you finish everything, just click on the update button at the top right. Let me click on update, and now let's click on update now. In this way we can edit our blogs very easily. So hope you understood how to create a blog using our Android phone very easily. Subscribe to my channel if you liked this video. Thank you for watching.